Okay. Mami, enko. Baffour Kwadwo Ahenkora me mo ache.
Yeah, yeah.
Now bomb to say.
About another room.
Yo, Renal Patients Association, Matisse on our door, mano. Now, what I manager say also kidney problem, kakra.
Sure.
Okay. Asama bay I bind the other two job national insurance for you more can I say.
Good morning. But mechanism it's a good news, it's a bad news. I mean, me mother so almost 10 years now. Yenya bibi sada. And you know, it's a step in the right direction. You don't must see. But now and kuana ye kunfiti last year ni and say Nkabamba absorb 8 sessions in India. My we know what it's in 2 categories.
Yes.
Me war the mania like I said, the Omutra subsidized that is we 2 free dialysis sessions a month.
Okay.
Me what that category, Yes, when the doors. Yes, the doors.
That's from 19 to 59 for the doors. 1959 for okay. Now the means Caribbean Carbino increase yeah maybe halfway say obefa 4 na musuma for 4 at least can be okay.
Oh let me say yempa bonus and carbine
absorb the cry
but in call for 4 near far 4 and yepa and 2 year bad sebi when ni bona obi it's in a step in the right direction.
Okay.
But I appreciate what they've done. I mean, we really appreciate it seriously.
But I'm going to say Oliver asks for more.
And they were this year. More.
Hello there, hey, for 10 years you've been on the dialysis.
Yes, for 10 years I've been on dialysis.
Ghana 40. Give us a little education on this kidney thing. Bebre, because I know kidney most often than not. A doctor forecast says a better lifestyle and ne bebre nya kidney because of life. Educate us a little, my brother.
In fact, the doctor cannot. My friend says 100. I make Maka say it's about 40% of lifestyle issue. No?
Okay.
And say and then ranty I am be yenko chuchebi yenji any aphrodisiac drinks near the day all a contribution. But you see, mostly Ghana here no, yeah, now most of the causes near either hypertensive or diabetic. Well, and now hypertensive news yeah na Arabia is see until unyo be a regular checkup.
Okay.
When you wants to say assign yama bebre.
Okay.
Diabetes so I so one said and check I won't say them until you back to say most of the hospital now. Most of the causes of end-stage kidney failure are either diabetic and also hypertensive. Until you say you be with like one of Monsa we like what you when Nika crown them George. Nam we did the instead and papa near there. It's about 40% cost of that thing. Until you now make say, maybe say me the example tell me I say, na me hypertensive.
Okay. We are.
Me tia me ya na makoto na akwa self medication so another big problem. Oh, obi o ha ni tia ni ya no akoto paracetamol na say aduro bi no anom. Ebusa na e BP na akwa na ma wutini ya wo ya. And to say, we will be out a regular checkup. Uben say, no high BPs, Yabama withdraw, now control BPs, and lead to those things. And you know, can say mostly you have to do regular checkup to avoid some of these things.
Why?
Miss Mendoza,
it's about your quick one. For these 10 years, we could be our say.
Misha said, I'm 3 times a week. But some needs to see I'm wording in your intimate twice a week. Because I'm 3 times a week for about 2 years. Until 8 years down here, me twice a week. which is not the best, but you have to manage it that way.
Which means every trip be a week, you pay not less than 500 Ghana.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes. I know. Yeah, I can say education in you. I know your dialysis in people who could there if you know na actually if you know woman.
Enroll my.
But I say
enroll my.
Well, lapse my. You were panier be a year. You're from erythropoietin. Sapania no na what be out back because that kidney patient be no we are anemic because moja one into tembia na moja wo form. In order to keep your blood up, no, or certain be no what's happening to keep your blood up. I know that you will be a friend of iron. I don't know who don't you might think until no near ya win I know you for just the dialysis. Near Kaka won't cry is another almost about roughly about 600 to 800. I don't cross and can't once a year.
What? Medasipa. What are you going to do? Why? Vinsanwa, young boy, VB, now be a aphrodisiac, my family no bear koda. Ghana, your castle be called check up. First, I didn't say we yeska. And just say we be so called dentist. Hey, I miss oh dentist appointment. Oh, you call you hey, girl, you should watch the whole day. Dentist one man wants a problem. Hey, kidney. I was your former me and Fanny grow.